Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. So today a customer brought by the 4Runner and they wanted the dual drawer box with a little bed extension and side cubbies. So I had that built up for them. They came by and we just did a little 1 hour install and they're very happy with it. Came out pretty awesome. Just thought I'd show you real quick. As you can see in the back here, just have the two massive 3-foot slide out drawers. On this side, he wanted the false top. So we've got one of them in there. And then over here, another massive 3-foot drawer. False top can go both on one side if you want, so that you can have one nice big like kind of cooking working area. You can stand off the side, you're kind of like under your little overhang. Super simple. Also in both drawers through the little removable dividers, so if you wanted to consolidate food in one and clothes or different things, you can take it out. If you have a longer piece of something you want to put in there, your stove or whatever. On the right side, have like just a little flip up hinged cubby to access that little bit of extra area. Have a little front piece on as well, so nothing will slide out the front. All fits in there nice and clean. And you can remove this with 2 screws, flip this over and slide the entire system out if wanted. Same thing on the left. Here's another simple little cubby. If you want to as well, you can attach from this little D-shackle here to here, a little turnbuckle or something if you really need to strap this thing down if you're doing some little more high-speed off-roading. And then on this side, this is the bed extension piece, which gives you nearly 6 feet of sleeping area. And as well, there's a nice little like bed support down there, and it gives you another 4 inches by nearly about 2 feet deep of area. You can put like some shoe boxes, your shoes, or just extra little camping gear in there. So all in all, a pretty easy system. Only takes an hour to install once you have put like a deposit down, and just makes it so much easier to go camping. You have all kinds of storage in the drawers, put a little mattress on top, sleep on top, and it's ready to go in your 4Runner. Thanks for watching, and send me an email at solidwoodworks@gmail.com if you want to get something like this for your own 4Runner. Thanks.